Mountains shape the force of our planet. They are vital to the planet's climate system. Mountains also support an extraordinary range of life. For centuries, mountains have shaped human civilizations. Nearly 1 billion people live in mountain regions, relying on them for food, water, and shelter. Mountains provide more than 30% of fresh water in all over the world. To many, mountains are sacred, representing a spiritual connection between the earth and the heavens. The future of mountains is uncertain. Climate change is rapidly altering these landscapes, with glaciers disappearing and ecosystems unraveling. Mountains have stood for millions of years, and now it's our turn to ensure they stand for millions more. Protect the peaks, secure the future.